Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you all the users menu settings in the Candy RapidO dishwasher. So, in the first step, let's start on the appliance. Now to open the settings menu, you have to hold the delete start button for 5 seconds. Now we're in the users menu. And now the first thing that you can change is a water softener. So if you want to manage the level of it, click on the P button, and the P5 it's a hardness water, the P9 it's a zero dosage of the softener, and the P1 it's a lowest water hardness. In the next step, we can change by the half load button function, we can change the sounds. So if you switch it off here, the LED it's not lights up. As you can hear, we don't have any sounds, but the control panel react. If you want to turn on the sounds, the buzzer, click on this button again, and now we have the sounds. The last function that you can manage, it's a memory function. You can make it by the delete start button, and if the LED is lights up, that means the memory function is activated and you're gonna choose automatically last use cycle. If you want to switch it off, just turn off the indicator here by the same button, and that's it. To save any settings that you changed, click on the power off button. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.